Welcome to Kenbit. I would like to tell you what happened today and the reason for market ups and downs and the swing down that came at around 12:30. This is a snapshot of Nifty pre-open. It all opened with a positive note at around 15,909 with plus 73 points. Expecting a bullish market today. This is Nifty just a few minutes after opening, and this is closing. You see, this is inverted U or inverted V, whatever you say. There's a long build up and short covering until 12:30. The market started falling down. The reason behind could be Dow was falling at the same time very steeply. So nothing in our hands, whatever the analysis, whatever the forecasts, it all moves with the wind. Waivers with the overseas markets. See, there is a steep fall from 12:30 onwards till 3:30. This is Nifty Bank closing, following the same trend as that of Nifty 50. These are the major movers today. ITC, Nifty, HDFC. This top 5 contributed around 130 points for the downfall, and the last 5, Reliance, Lever, Hindustan Lever, Powergrid, Bajaj Finance and Bajaj Finserv, they contributed for around 100 points gain. Net, BSE Sensex fell down by 100 points by the closing. There is a great jump in the AstraZeneca today, around 8% jump. SRF is down by around 6%, and these are the others. Automotive didn't do well today. So BSE Sensex fell by 100 points. It went to a high of 53,865 and the closing is 53,134. Just when our Indian market started, Dow Jones was optimistic with over 100 points plus. Let us come to the J recommendations later. Let us watch how Dow Jones futures affected Indian markets. So yesterday close was around 15,835 and today it is a gap up at 15,901. Market opened with a gap up at 15,909 and from yesterday till today's high it rose by around 190 points, came from 15,835 to 16,025 and from today's open it rose by around 116 points. Then from 1216, this is all false bullish signs, as this is nothing but a short covering and long unwinding. This is not a true long build up. And from 12 around 1220, the market started falling down. So till this point, even till at 3 p.m. also, our analysts were very optimistic for the market recovery and started giving the calls. And it's very funny. And what we guess from them, as a normal investor, as a common man, if they take their advice, they are going to be drowned. I don't know how many might have drowned. So So the analysts, when the market is going up, they'll start giving the calls. And when the market slides down a bit, maybe 100 points or 50 points even. So just like a common man, I don't know what statistics they look at, but they start giving the calls. This is a peak of around 16,000, and the people were giving the calls at this point, even when it is down by 100 points, and even when it fell down by another 100 points. The total downfall from 1290 till 230 is around 200 points. And so, one analyst was giving, not sure, we all want to be optimistic, of course. We want the market to be on the positive note with the bullish closings. He was giving a call of 15,800 on Nifty, and the market is very uncertain today, nowadays. The uncertainty factors are many, and today the market fell down to deep dive, and now today US markets fell down. So tomorrow, that is Wednesday, 6th July, we are expecting a negative gap down opening. In that case, all these calls are going to be giving great loss to the investors. Okay, so this is about the Nifty, and you see how Dow Jones played with our fate today. So, till our markets started, when our markets opened on 5th July, it is around 31,150, and it was steady until 1220. So, with plus minus 20 points, and then it started falling very deeply. You see, the fall is so deep. So, it fell from 31,200 till 3930. So fall of around 250 points. So there are further dips even to this. So the lowest was around 3860. So this affected Indian markets, and this is the closing of Indian markets, and then it became steady until 5 p.m. today, and then it's falling down, and it went down till 30,361. Fall of how many points? So 3930 till, so around 600 points. Now it's trying to recover. Now it's around 1 a.m. and it recovered, but still on the negative note. This is Dow Jones is down by, it's a gap down today, and it went till 3359, and it's recovering, but still it's 233 points down at this time. That is, what's the time? It's 12:40, 12:50 a.m. Sorry, it's a 12:50 a.m. on 6th July. So the futures are trying to recover, and let's hope this turns into green by the closing, and which is 40 minutes away from now. And Nasdaq is on the positive note. It opened with a great gap down, and it fully recovered, and it's with plus 159 points. Nasdaq futures is also positive. So today the Nifty closed at 18 15,810. If the future, if the Dow Jones fully recovers and the futures start and the futures also fully recover by 9 a.m. tomorrow morning, then we can expect the market to open a neutral at around 15,800 or slightly below, maybe 50, 100 points gap down. But it will be stabilizing between 15,600 till 15,900. And the SGX Nifty is also deep dived based on the Dow Jones index, and now it recovered in parallel with the Dow Jones. Now coming to the J recommendations. When the market is up, everyone recommends calls. But when the market is going down, I found some recommendations from the G interesting. This is a recommendation by Kiran at 9:18 a.m. Adani Enterprises. So it was recommended at around 9:18 when it is at the peak 2289, and from that moment onwards it kept on falling down and it closed at 2246, right? So tomorrow if someone wants to buy, they can buy at lower price. Definitely this script is a good script, but it could not pick up. These are some of the recommendations. In the morning, we got the calls on Sun Pharma, Siemens, Mindtree, Dabur. This is okay, at least not ended up with the losses. And Godrej Consumer, this is also fine. And M&M Finance is the same neutral, no change in this. But tomorrow, if the market goes down, so we're expecting we're expecting a loss from this call. And I was also bullish on the market. This is around 947, this recommendation in आज के 2000 में Crompton Greaves. This is given at 947 when this script is at the peak. Then the script was trading almost at the same price, even by the closing. But one interesting thing is this is not affected by the Dow's sliding down or Indian markets sliding down. It has a potential to grow. The MCX futures, this recommendation came at around 951 when it is at the peak. Almost it traded until 2 p.m. at the same rate and then it started sliding down. But MCX and Mindtree, they are the good bets for the future. Sale again, this recommendation. As I was telling you, when the market is going up, everyone starts giving calls. And of course, there are few exceptions who foresee the future and give the right calls, be it a buy or sell. So this is at 120. This is at 70 and it started stripping down to 69.60. It started slipping down to 69.60. This metal sector is very fragile. When the market is having negative sentiment, this is very difficult. It takes some time to recover this sector or the metal scripts. Let's hope for the best tomorrow if the market opens gap up. SRF, this is an excellent call today. Even if it's given at 216, when the rate was 2091, it fell by around 40 points and gave excellent profits for the investor who took this call. So this is the call I was talking earlier. So Nifty 15800 call at 86 and this is given at 315, expecting a market to open gap up or will go above 15800. Let us see what happens based on the today's market trends. Still the Dow Jones is on the negative side and the Dow Jones futures as well on the negative side. Based on this, not sure if the market is going to open gap up. So even if it opens at the same level as it closed today at 15810, the premium is going to fall down. So the investor is going to lose. This call is given, this call on UBL is given at 320 when it is at the highest value for today. 1560 call is given when it is at the highest point today, but it fell down immediately after that. This is another call, will definitely be a hit as UBL you see, irrespective of the market movements, sentiment, this is gaining steadily. This call is given very lately, but it's okay. Let's hope for the positive gains tomorrow. This is the Dow Jones future we are discussing. This is analysis for profiting. Keep earning and keep smiling. Thanks for watching.